Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow others to see results on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and then click on this button that you can find at the bottom of the screen on the right side. Tap on it and then click on this second button at the top on the right side, settings. Go to this left side column, scroll down to the privacy and social section, tap on it. Go to the first section, which is social, and here you can scroll down and to the connection section, and here you can find the first option, which is allow others to see results, that you can enable by tapping on the enable button. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.